Next, we're showcasing Dole Chef-Ready Cuts Diced Peaches. While peaches are an extremely popular fruit, there's one thing that nobody likes about them, and that's the pit. It's difficult to cut around, which adds to prep time and can result in usable fruit being wasted. With Dole Chef-Ready Cuts, that's not the case. You get 5 pounds of ready-to-use peaches. No peels, no pits, and no prep work. Today's featured recipe involves one of my favorite cooking techniques for fruit, which is pickling. It's a pickled peach shopska salad, which we're going to be serving with a pita flatbread. First, we need our pickling liquid, which includes 1 cup apple cider vinegar, along with peppercorns, coriander, bay leaves, and mustard seeds. Bring that mixture to a simmer in a pot on your stovetop for 1 to 2 minutes. Then remove from the heat and add 2 cups Dole Chef-Ready Cuts Diced Peaches. And 1 cup cucumber while it's still warm. Wait 5 minutes and then add a cup of ice water to cool your mixture. Drain your peaches and cucumbers and set aside. In a separate bowl, combine diced red peppers, diced tomatoes, and diced white onion. Mix to evenly distribute. Then, place that mixture in the center of your serving bowl. On top of that, we add our pickled peach mixture. And then we finish with some feta and chopped mint. Then we line the dish with warm pita triangles for serving. This dish is actually inspired by the Balkan region. Shopska salad is something you'll see throughout Southeastern Europe, and it's a great example of how you can bring global flavors and concepts to your menu in a simple and approachable way. Peach is also a great fruit for pairing with tangy flavors like burrata and feta. You'll see this combination a lot in salads, but also sandwiches and even pizzas. We're also seeing peach in breakfast applications. Peaches add a great pop of flavor and color to a potato breakfast hash. They also bring vibrancy to classic breakfast concepts like waffles and parfaits. On the beverage side, there's not much you can't do with peach. Cocktails, smoothies, teas, and lemonades are all great opportunities to incorporate peach into your menu offerings. For more recipe inspiration, head to dolefoodservice.com. We'll see you next time for our feature on Dole Chef-Ready Cuts Diced Avocado.